Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add page or slide numbers in PowerPoint. Adding slide numbers is a simple yet powerful way to keep your presentation organized, whether you're preparing for a big work presentation or a school project. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the specific presentation where you want the numbers to appear. If your slides aren't ready yet, take a moment to ensure everything is in order before proceeding. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the window and click on the Insert tab. This tab is essential as it houses many tools for adding elements like images, text, and, of course, slide numbers. After clicking Insert, look for the text section in the middle right area of the toolbar. This section allows you to add text-based elements to your slides. Within the text section, locate the small button labeled Slide Number and click on it. A new window will pop up displaying options for headers and footers you can add. Your next step is to check the box next to Slide Number, which tells PowerPoint to add numbers to each slide, making it easy for your audience to track the flow of your presentation. Finally, click the Apply to All button in the lower right corner to ensure that the slide numbers appear consistently across all slides. And there you have it. Your slides now have numbers, giving your presentation a polished and professional look. This simple adjustment improves organization and helps both you and your audience stay on track. Remember, if you ever want to remove or change the slide numbers, just revisit these steps and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tips and tutorials.